Hi everyone! Today's tutorial is an easy spring look on the gorgeous Georgia Toffolo. We're starting with her favorite Dermalogica skincare products. First up, we used the antioxidant Hydra Mist, and now we're using the oil-free Active Moist. This is a really lightweight, hydrating, but oil-free moisturizer to prep the skin. We're massaging that into the skin to stimulate microcirculation and drain any excess fluids and puffiness in the same way we're using the Neck Fit Serum. Now I'm using my favorite All Even Instant Perfector. This is a foundation, concealer, and treatment all rolled into one that gives you a really gorgeous buildable coverage. With this foundation, you can create a really light and natural effect or build up to a completely flawless airbrushed finish. It works as a foundation and a concealer, so I'm just using a lighter shade under the eye to really brighten, but the texture is the same and gives you that really photoshopped effect. I've used a little bit of powder to set the makeup, and now I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Bronzer to give a really warm summer glow and to delicately contour Georgia's face. I'm just adding a little bit more powder into the T-zone, and this of course is my favorite Airbrush Flawless Finished powder by Charlotte Tilbury. Now I'm going to create a natural lifted brow look with Charlotte Tilbury's Micro Fine Precision Brow Cheat Pencils. I'm using Barbara Carranza's styling gel to lift the brows and set them into place, and this is the strongest brow glue I've ever tried. Now I'm using the Tweezerman Lash Curler, and I'm going to create a super natural contoured eye look, which is just really fresh and easy. This is the LC Cosmetics Matte Eyeshadow Palette, which is a gorgeous collection of sandy, terracotta, chocolate, and charcoal tones, which is really great for a natural contoured eye. Georgia and I created this look together, so we're using a lot of her favorite products from her very own makeup bag, including her favorite They're Real Mascara by Benefit. Georgia's been using Revitalash serum, so you can see she has super natural long lashes. We're lightly tracing the lip with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and then I'm going to use the Tinted Love lip tint. I'm obsessed with these, and this is a really beautiful orangey stain for the lips. You can either put on a light and natural amount, or you can build up for more color impact. To add a fresh and springy pop of color to the cheeks, I'm using this peachy pink marbled blush by Hourglass. And then to finish the look, I'm using All Even Beauty's Color Shield for Body, which is an airbrushed body foundation that lasts all day. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave a comment below.